Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm here with a project share. Finally I'm able to do this video. I've been wanting to do it for like a whole month, but it's just been sitting here piling with all the other stuff that I have to share with you guys. But rather than show you all at one time, I'll do it one by one, so you guys are not overwhelmed with all of my random projects that I've been doing. So those of you who saw my one of my last videos last month, I purchased this from Amazon. And just in case you guys are wondering, it's called a push pop cake pop containers. And they look like this. It comes with the lid, and then it comes with this separate piece, so you can make your own cake pops. And I follow the tutorial I seen. Solange Ferreira, I'll put her link down below so you guys can watch it. But she made these really cute cake pop, confetti pops, I guess you can call them. And she got the idea from, I believe it's Sabrina. So I will put those links down below just in case you guys are wondering. But I actually finished this project last month and finally getting around to doing a video. You guys should see my desk. I have a whole bunch of stuff to share with you guys, but I just don't have the time. So I'm going to move this to the side and show you guys. These are the last ones that I was working on, but haven't had time to finish these up. These are with the papers. I just covered them with papers, but haven't completed them yet. So these are what I have left to do. As you can see, I just used various papers, pattern papers. And I still have yet to fill them up. I don't know if I want to put confetti or goodies in here, so that's why they're just sitting there. So let me just show you real quick what they did. So this thing pops out right here, and all you have to do is put hot glue right here, and then carefully put this inside back in the hole, but make sure you don't get glue like on the inside of here. So, and then you just go like this, and then you pull it and press it. So that's that. Just wanted to show you guys. And you can use you can put anything in these. Actually, I had used these in some of them. These are the confettis that I got on clearance from Michael's. If you guys follow my haul videos, I purchased a few of these. Or you can punch out some papers, like from your punches. Because you guys have, I know you guys have like different shapes of punches. So I'm going to show you what I did. I actually got some of my punches and just punched out like heart punches from using some, what do you call those? Tissue paper. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did. Here's one that I made. And all I did was, as you can see, I used, sorry for the glare, I put some sequins in there as well as some tissue paper that have that glitter in it, and I used my heart punch. But next time I think I'm just going to use paper because it kept on getting messed up in my punch. So I just, you know, dress this up, put this rosette, a bow, and this little doily in the back, and some trim. And what you can also do, and I also put the top on there. What you also can do is, I seen them also get, you know, those paper straws, cut them down the middle, and then put it on the handle if you like. So there's this one. And then here's another one that has a bunch of different things on it. Some trim, some tulle. This is from Susan, and then I just put a swan sticker in the middle and some beads, leaf beads here that I made like years ago in one of my videos. Some palm trim, and this rose gold cutout from a punch. So there's that one. And then I also did, oh yeah, and this one has heart tissue paper in there too as well, but I cut out. There's that one, and then this one, the same thing. I used the blue heart tissue paper that I punched out, and then some sequins in there. And I just thought that came out cute. Simple and cute. Did that one, and then I also did this one. This was the first one that I did using the Havana, not papers, but the Havana chipboard pieces. So I did that with some Hobby Lobby trim. And this inside I put sequins, and I use the Recollections confetti that I got from Michaels. So I thought that was so cute. So yeah, I think the next time when I do these, when I finish these off, I'm going to put treats. So, and I covered it so that you wouldn't see what's inside. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is just put treats in here, so that when you open it up, you know, it's like packaging, cute packaging. So yeah, that is my little share that I wanted to show you guys. I hope everybody had a great weekend. And I hope everybody has a great week. And I shall talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.